Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Yamaha YZF R3. This is the ABS equipped model, Monster Energy MotoGP racing livery, and best of all, 174 miles. You gotta be kidding me. This thing is mint condition. Come on by, make your R3 dreams come true for just $52.99. Twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in showroom condition. It's not going to be here long. Come on by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.